Good morning or afternoon, and welcome to Biz 101, Spring 2022, 36456. I use freebie stuff, so I have to be quick with this. And I'm still in training to use Nomia. It's a recording we have through the Canvas, but you'll get big sizes of me. I am Sharon Wilson. I am the instructor. I figure if you're a business major, you have been required to take this class. You can read about me in the introduction. So hopefully I tend to you'll read it, you'll comment, I will comment back. So I'm going to jump right in because you can read all this stuff here. But if you click where they say click here to get started, this takes you basically to our course syllabus. Now, I'm going to put it in student view. This is where a lot of students get lost. See that these green check marks? All right, that shows that I've already clicked mark done. So what I'm going to show you have to do, because I tried doing another video and I went too long, but this is a good place to start. If you need accommodations for this class, the only one I can help you with is the longer test time. If you need the a tutor, you have to go over to the Learning Center, which I'll show you where a resource is. Private area. Gosh, guys, set up your own little corner. Even if it's a little corner of, uh, a, a shed or something, find it, set it up. It really helps. I just got noise canceling headsets for Christmas. I love them because I can block out the noise. All right. You'll mark as done here. You'll go on next. It will not, I have it set up. Participation, you'll read about that. Mark as done. Click next. All right, this tells you my feedback. Nothing in this class is worth cheating, guys. Nothing. You're going to ask me, can we turn in late assignments? Yes, you can. It's a 20% penalty per day based on a 7-day work week, not 6. So if you miss the Sunday deadline, you turn it in Monday, 20% off. Now, if you turn it in the following Sunday, don't bother. Figure it out. 4 5s, 5 times 5, 20. 4 days is 80%. 5 days is 100%. So if you're on the 100th day, or excuse me, if you're on the 5th day, no point in turning it in. I do allow for Life 101. I have 1 or 2 assignments from the discussion board. I'm doing a discussion board this semester because I had a little bit of feedback that they would like that. Exams, never. Career plan research paper, never. Assignments, yes. Quizzes, yes. Okay. Mark is done and move on. Simple. Okay. That's it. And that's if you go here. I haven't completed these, as you can see, but when I complete them, there will be a link. So you can go to each one of these weeks during the semester. Student Support Center. I've got to watch my recording. I only have 15 minutes. Okay. I looks like it's not all here, so see, right here. If you try to click on Student Support Center and you can't, it's because you haven't read it yet. Okay? So you got to go back to my little, modules. Click on Student Support Center. All right. Tells you the technology support. Send ITS an email for help right up here. All right. If it's McGraw-Hill, contact them. I got yelled at, my hand slapped a couple of times because I was trying to go the back door and help students, and they want you guys to contact. This is a saying my son and I used, and I apologize if that's offensive to anyone. But we are adults, and this is college. Excuse me. So I always Google it or I YouTube it. I sometimes need visuals. Okay? Click next. All right, so now if we go back to that home and we try to do Student Support Center, well, darling, isn't going to do it for us, is it? Sometimes we have to reset student. Okay, let's see. And stuff like this, guys, I go through it too. So you have to figure this out. Why is it doing that? See, it's still not marking it. Why? It's still locked. So, yeah, if it's something with your computer, I don't know your computer. I can't help you unless I'm right there. So call the tech support. They can actually, with your permission, go in and see what's happening. If it's dates, if I have the wrong dates because I just transfer class to class, that's my issue. Okay? I fix that. But anything else has to be done. Announcements. If I announce, like this just says end of semester, final week, we made it. I'm going to have other announcements. I'll have this announcement, right? Your discussions each week. See, I haven't even put them in. But you'll go here if you have a general question. When I see stuff like this, why picture, why link, I make note of it. Please tell me. It could be very important to you if a link isn't working. All right? I don't know. All right? Modules is probably, you know, modules. See how it reset when I hit reset students? So you got to mark all this done. Okay? Before you can even move forward, it will ask you to do that. Now, I don't have anything else done. Because I've changed a lot in here, right? So it's not going to show you. Let me see if I do have some other weeks in here that I might have. Okay. Like read chapter 1 here. It will tell you a reminder to register. Week 1 is your introduction. So you would just go here. And now what it's going to show you is this. Well, it's locked. Okay. I lock these until the Monday. Tell us a little bit about you. It doesn't have to be much. You'll see mine is really long. But it won't show you other people's replies until you've posted yours. Right? So our discussions are going to be there. Our modules are all here. I just haven't done them all throughout because I change my discussions almost every semester and most of my assignments. It's just give each of us a break. Now, I asked Dr. Byer one time why this never comes out to the way I like it. And he said it's just like a messy file cabinet. All right. So you might see stuff in here, and after I change the date, like see, not available until March 1st, but it still says October 25th through. If you see something like that, email me. Pronto me. All right? So here's what I want to show you in student view. See, like here, one rule, that's telling me drop the lowest scores. So let's say you're working on something. You want to get in touch with me. All right, I don't see where it's at. Where's my pronto? All right. Anyway, McGraw-Hill. Now, it's showing an error because of the fact I'm not a student. All right. So it will say go to my Connect section. Yours will be a little different. See, I haven't assigned these yet because I may change them. All right. But it will say, what do you want to do? I'll put in a picture here. All right. I just wanted to get this out to everybody so you know what's happening. All right. So this is where you will go. And as a student, you would click on this. All right. And then it would say student assignment view. All right. The score was for this attempt will be reduced, and it will show you 15 points. Of course, it's showing you the fall due date, which I'm going to have to change. But you would go in here, watch this video on viewing your grades and using I've completed what, and you'll just click that. Okay. Next, I have completed how to navigate, and you just I have completed and understand how to view feedback after work is graded. All right. Okay. And then you just click next and save and exit. Or you would, continue assignment. You would click submit, and then you're done. View results. And it will tell you 0 out of 15, probably because you didn't watch the video. Now you will have an ebook. All right. This is your ebook. So you can go. This is a riot since we're all big football fans, not necessarily a Vikings fan. All right, but read how this guy, did the number one. Right? So these are fun. These are little fun tidbits, right? If you need it read to you, it will read it to you. Hey, if you need bigger print, change font size, change the font size. You know? Okay. So there's all kind, and here's the contents. There's all sorts of stuff here, key terms, summary, your future in business, despite blah, blah, blah. And, so, this is a fantastic system. I really like this. I'm really glad we switched to this one. All right. You can search, you legal organization and business. It will take you to legal. Okay, so it didn't give me that. So then I just take this out and hit legal. Okay, I'm going to have, and it shows you. All right, let me run through this real quickly because I'm running out of time here. Okay, student view. If you need an Office 365, it's right here. If you need a net tutor. Because I'm logged into student view. This is what new is going to show you. Pronto, I want to show you real quickly here. Okay, let's go up here, find our class. Here we go, 1921. I don't see it yet because it's probably not published, so you'll go here. Look for it. I can do direct message. Online teacher training, I had that. That's for me. But you can see how we can just go in, find the class. You can type a message. You can leave little things, attach something. All right? Okay? I'm good to go. Email me at swilson@avc.edu if you need anything. This will be out in the home. I will publish the class as soon as possible. All right? You have a 2-week grace period for the access code. Then you have to pay for it. I don't have any codes. The only codes I have are the ones to add the class. Don't email me asking. So if you have Books Help, go to Books Help. All right? I'm looking forward to a great semester.